So today we're going to talk about the pathway of a red blood cell through the heart and the lungs and into the body. So it's first going to enter the heart by either the superior vena cava or the inferior vena cava, or the entrance to the right atrium by the coronary sinus. So 3 possible entryways into the right atrium. And then it will pass by the tricuspid valve, which is also called the right atrioventricular valve, into the right ventricle. Once it's in the right ventricle, it's then going to be pumped up into the pulmonary trunk and pass through the pulmonary semilunar valve up into the pulmonary arteries. Once it's in the pulmonary arteries, it's then going to be pumped into the lungs, and the lungs are going to give oxygen to the little red blood cell that's moving through them. And then that blood cell is going to enter back into the heart by either the right or the left pulmonary veins. And once it's in the left atrium, it's then going to pass through the bicuspid valve, also called the left atrioventricular valve, also called the mitral valve. And once it's in the left ventricle, it's then going to be pumped up into the ascending aorta and pass through the aortic semilunar valve, and it will either continue up into the right brachiocephalic artery, the left common carotid artery, or the left subclavian artery, or it will continue by the aortic arch into the descending aorta. And it will then continue on to the tissues to give oxygen to the tissues where it is needed. And that is all. Thank you.